As this program has illustrated, when we combine technology and talent, we have the power to drive meaningful change. And as 2020 has reminded us time and time again, our world needs change. Our survival requires it. I have the great fortune of leading the hybrid cloud and edge ecosystems at IBM. I also have a great responsibility as a leader within IBM's Black community, a community that sprang into action following the murders of George Floyd, Ahmaud Arbery, Breonna Taylor, and too many others, to demand and enact change. Call for Code inspired IBMers of all races and backgrounds and job functions to think about the role technology could play in driving progress towards a more inclusive, equal, and just world. We recognize technology alone cannot fix hundreds of years of racial injustice and inequality, but when you put it in the hands of the Black community and their allies, technology can begin to bridge the gap. The outcome has been nothing short of astounding. The outcome has given me hope. The outcome is a collection of open source solutions developers and problem solvers across IBM and Red Hat have created in less than 3 months. Solutions born out of a need to turn this critical moment in our history into a sustaining movement. IBM provides the tech, but in keeping with the principles of Call for Code, it takes an ecosystem to scale change. With that, I am honored to announce Call for Code for Racial Justice. Call for Code for Racial Justice encourages the adoption, incubation, and evolution of open source projects to drive progress in 3 key areas. First, police and judicial reform and accountability. 2, diverse representation. And 3, policy and legislation reform. We will be launching starter kits for the initial technology solutions and will be releasing additional solutions over time. Your role, to the developers first, you have the skill set and the ingenuity to make a difference. Contribute to or use our open source projects once they're available. To the organizations and enterprises, you have the responsibility to make a difference to your employees and to the world. We hope you will commit to the cause to leverage technology to drive progress in combating systemic racism. And from IBM, you have our commitment to continue to listen, learn, and use technology ethically and responsibly.